there's an option in the Suki theme here which warrants a full video walkthrough. So I want to show you that real quick. It's called the blocks, and once you download and activate your theme there, it'll be right here under Suki and then custom blocks. Now what this enables you to do, I want to show you something here over on WooCommerce.com, and it's called conditional content. And what this does, it displays dynamic content throughout your store based on easy to configure rules and conditions. Now this plugin has its place in your store, but I want to show you what's built into the Suki theme. Right here you see where we can add a new block. So I'm going to add a new block right now. Okay. So this is going to be a new block, and of course we can describe this block using all of the Gutenberg block editors, or we can just say something really simple. Okay, so there's our content right there, and down here it says block settings. Now over here on the Suki theme, you can see that all of these right here are documented, but here's the part on the in the Pro module. Don't the free one is okay, but you know, go ahead and pony up and get the Pro modules. There's a reason for this. These custom blocks and these hooks, you can put anything, anywhere on your page. Pretty simple, right? And of course, it's all documented right here. Before, after canvas, before the header, after the header, before the main content, after the main content, before the sidebar, after the sidebar, before the footer starts getting created, and then after the footer is created. Okay? And then, of course, there's a few more down here as well. Now, let's go in here and look at this. So I've got a new block. I want to attach this to a hook. How many of us like writing code? And how many of us just simply want to get something done? So whenever you just want to simply get something done, obviously, you just simply open this up right here. And you're going to say, let's say, before the main content, okay? And of course, it's got a list of priorities here. But then right over here is the incredible part. You've got location, where, and then you've got the conditional here of display rules. Do I want to show this on the entire website? No. Actually, let me edit this right here. Great block product. So I'm going to go down here and I'm going to say I only want to show this on, and here's all of the options, and the reason I'm doing this with a video is so that you can see all of these. I only want to display this on what? All archives, meaning categories and things like that. I want to display this on any singulars, meaning a blog post or something like that. The error page, the front page, on the post archive, category archive. See how it narrows all of these down for you as well? I want to have product archives, category archive, tag. How about product singular? Okay. And here is where I want to go in here and say my products are. Okay. So I want to go in here and say the secret of getting ahead is getting started. That's a product. And I can add any more rules in here as well. So I've created conditional content. Remember, there's a plugin that you can buy for $49, or it comes in here with this Suki theme. So here's one of the examples that they use here. Have you ever needed to display content on all your items in a store that are in a particular category? Okay, so that's a conditional. When a sale or purchase on a product is about to run out of stock, well, okay, But now look what we can do inside the Suki theme by default. See all these right here? Now this does have a few more conditionals, like the stock status and the stock level, cart total. But you can also print all of these conditionals from this plugin, which costs $49. It comes inside of this Suki theme. That's the reason why I keep saying that it's a pretty awesome theme to use for the next 5, 6, 7 years. If you have any rules where you want to hide that, you can always do that as well. You can also say, let's make this visible only on a specific user role. Okay? So let's say you've got a notification that you want to put up to everyone who's already bought something. Okay? So you would want to go in here and say, look, if they're already a subscriber, or if they are logged in. And this is the really awesome part, because think about this for a second. The display rules say visible to whom? Logged in users, logged out users. Not only could I say, look, I want to display a block above the secret of getting ahead is getting started. Okay? But what I can also do is say, I want to make another rule that says, for any logged out users, I want to go in here and say, display site-wide I want to display site-wide a login and receive a toaster. That will have logged in rules that we can, of course, have the visitors being prompted to log in. Okay, so that's another conditional there that you would definitely want to put and use for different reasons in your site. You want to have logged in users see one thing. You want logged out users. You want all users. You want those who have already contributed, I'm sorry, those that are already with a contributor or subscriber role to be able to see that, right? Or if they are a customer. Okay, maybe you've got shop managers that are managing your site and you want to give them a notification, and only them a notification. Let's say you've got customers and you want to say, thanks for your previous order. Here's a coupon code for what else? A toaster. Okay. And then you can echo the, or you can print out the coupon code there. Maybe you want to give it a little bit of styling or something like that. There's your coupon code, and that is going to go through the entire website. And the only people that are going to see it are people that are customers. Okay? And don't forget the location here. You can put that wherever you want. You can put it at the very top of the page. You can put it right before the header menu. You can put it before the main content, after the main content, before the entry header of a post or a page. You can put it before the footer. You can have it absolutely down at the very bottom after the footer. You can put that anywhere you want. And that's again, one of those things that makes this theme completely unique and entirely customizable for any store. And then, of course, over to the product itself. The secret of getting ahead is getting started. That's the name of the little test product that we're using here. When you go down here to the page settings meta block in the Suki theme, you've got the content and sidebar, you've got the header. Okay, tons of options that I already went over. But now you'll have this right here that says, look, dear shop owner, if you're in the middle of editing this, just a reminder, you've got a great block for the product that has been attached to a hook before post entry content. And you can add all of those conditionals right in here. And of course, obviously, you can change the product layout as well. But the important part is, this also shows you not just in the add new block area, but then when you go to the product page itself, it will actually show you and remind you, hey, look, you've got a couple of blocks edited out here, that are edited into this product, and it'll show those right there to you. You can, of course, click this, and you'll go back over to this page right here where you can edit the block and say, oh, you know what? I want to change the coupon code. My bad. So it's 1234. Or you can do whatever you want. But see, it lets you echo those, and you can make totally customizable products, not just because. It's not just that you can change normal, full width, wide, narrow, left sidebar, right sidebar, no sidebar at all, no title, get rid of the featured image, product layout, get rid of the breadcrumbs, show the gallery, bottom, left, right. We do or don't want tabs. We do or don't want upsells. We do or don't want related products. But now guess what you can also do? On top of all the other stuff that you've read on this page, well, look, now you can also add product blocks. So on every product, you can go through and say, hey, look, this is a great drill. Hey, this is a great poster, or something like that. And you can, of course, even echo out. If you've got, let me just show you another example here because I could do these all day. Let's show just the reviews by product. Okay. The secret of getting ahead is getting started. And of course, there's no reviews in there, but that's kind of the point. There's no reviews in this one, but of course I can go add some. And you can echo that out on the top of the page. So then what are you looking at here? If I were to totally save this and go through and do a million customizations, you can say, okay, look, instead of always having reviews down here at the bottom, we can echo these reviews out right here at the top of the page. Above the fold is always great. Great. Let me say that again. Putting the reviews front and center is good because as the user then goes to scroll down the page, look at the images, look at all of your great pictures that you have in there. Then they're going to come down here and see the description and some more reviews again, which is going to make them more likely to add it to their cart. So there's a good deal of thought that goes into making this option available for you. Again, the content that you can echo out and print or make appear on every one of your products or anything else is built into the Suki theme. And again, that's one of the additional reasons, not just, and on top of all the other things that we've shown here, okay, adding the conditional content and letting that be part of what comes up, and having all of those be options that you can put inside of your theme as well. That's a big deal. Not only is the theme small and fast, but the options that are put in there are absolutely off the chart. Again, no coding necessary at all. So, anyways, kind of an impromptu video, but hopefully you'll enjoy that, and it's some good food for thought as you consider your next theme. How much code do you want to put into it versus how many of us would rather run our store and not sit here and be jacking with writing code and playing with a website, That's the important part, is that the Suki theme really allows you to put whatever options you want inside your store, to put whatever options you want inside each post with zero coding at all. So hopefully you enjoy it. Go check out the Suki theme. Grab the Pro module, lifetime or yearly license. Have a great afternoon. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.